Hello, this is part 2 of coffee painting for Mother's Day. We're going to start off with painting using a light shade of coffee water. Paint a heart, then use a thin brush and draw some lines. These are your mountains. It's really up to you. You can have 2 mountains, 3, 4, or more. For everything else that we will be painting in the heart, we will be using the dark coffee water, which is 4 teaspoons of coffee powder and 1 teaspoon of water. So now let's do some lines, and these will be our trees. So the placement for these trees will be at the side. Do some dots for the leaves. You can have some triangles. So make sure that when you're doing this, you are careful with how much of water is on the tip of your brush. If it's too wet, then it can smudge our painting that we've done. So over here I'm going to draw more trees. We can do some triangle looking ones or just some random shape. So continue. Left side and the right of the hut. Next, we are going to draw a house. This is just like a house in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of a forest, a cabin. So over here we're just using the paintbrush just like a pencil, and we are just drawing it with the coffee water. Next, we are going to be drawing some grass. We do lines and dots. Try to use single strokes for these. Highlight the house again. Maybe add some shadow on the mountain. Then lastly, add a sun on top of the hut. You can also place the sun in between the mountains. Do some clouds. There you go. Ta-da! When you're done, you can add some words at the side of the heart. I love you, Mom.